Malpulong yaga ginjil rumachlo.
Meghalaya State Shooting Championship kapashipo jungsnam 8,000 kalakut no hinden kasiha Assam Regimental Center Shillong. Hagani kalimpung balapanlong da Shooting Association of Meghalaya hapo kajingpet joka National Rifle Association of India. But da kajingker shanlang joka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs lawan berishim benta da palat chis pa san pumut kinong ilekkai. Kiblai kun hakajingya siat suloi 10-meter air rifle, ka rifle but pistol. Ukong sana kena kesengi USK Bhala ubalong ITS Katri ke NEC ulaya roi kisamla kibedon sap ula penpau bakane ke jengilek kai kalong kum ka atiar pan kentiu keri hapo ke India's new sports policy.
I am fortunate that I could see the talent, the budding shooters, whom we can look forward to represent in national games and maybe years to come in Olympics also. There are many good things which our country had been seeing and will continue to see. Year 25, the National Sports Policy, new policy after 2001, it's a new chapter for our country. Why? Because the sports policy says that sports is meant for socio-economic development. We want to be powerhouse of the world.
Bentang ni pe kejung long jaman kasum deng hatura kejung krek long